The next step is use the puzzle set we have just generated and refine the clues and make them more engaging. First, select the puzzle set and also select the prompt you want to use. The first puzzle in your selected set loads in the panes below, together with a prompt that tells the AI exactly how to create new and more creative clues. Connect with an AI, either a local large language model or an online model using your API key. The app will send prompts and receive answers automatically. Or you can also copy the prompt, run it in ChatGPT or a similar large language model, and paste the result back into the panel. Here we'll be using a large language model installed on your computer. It runs locally, doesn't need an internet connection, and can be used completely free. You will notice that the updated clue text includes special markers. These markers guide the layout when the puzzle is imported into PowerPoint. When you are satisfied with the result, click Accept and move on to the next puzzle. The new clues generated by the AI are saved as text files. Later, when you bring them into PowerPoint or another editor, you can easily make any changes you like. There are 6 files created for each puzzle: the original clues and the enhanced clues text files, a puzzle grid and a solution grid, and also a puzzle table and a solution table. Next, we'll use the PowerPoint tool to bring the puzzle images and puzzle text into the template layouts.